Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is Revolved Side Angle Pose, also known as Parivrtta Parsvakonasana. Friends, it's a complex pose which challenges your balance and flexibility in the hamstrings, in the hips, in the spine, in the shoulders and neck. Friends, it's very important in this pose to keep your heel on the floor if you're focusing on a classical pose. So we will be doing different variations for different type of people to understand how we get into it. So friends, it's an intermediate level standing forward bend and at the same time it's a deep detoxifying twist. Friends, if we have any injury at the back, at the spine, at the shoulders, please avoid it, and especially if you have any injury in the neck region because we are twisting, so just be careful. Or it's always better to have a guidance of a professional yoga teacher or a medical supervisor. Friends, let's get into the pose. But before we get into the pose, don't forget to add some of the warm-ups or some of the preparatory poses. So a side angle pose would be great, a low lunge or a high lunge, or something like a tree pose, or a Parivrtta, that is a wide leg forward bend would be great, or a side angle pose. Because a side angle pose depicts the same. So now when you're focusing on basically getting into the revolved side angle pose, let's first cut down into two steps. First is the foundation and the second is the twist, where the palm comes, where the twisting happens, a lot of things to understand. So let's get into the pose. So friends, there are two variations to get into the pose. Let's get into the first one. Okay, so standing Tadasana, I tall myself. Okay, my chin is parallel, my shoulders are down. So all the alignment of Tadasana comes here. Now from here, I take my right leg to the 45-degree angle, straighten the left leg 45 degrees angles and the right leg to a lunge going forward. Now from here, lift the back heel up. Now lifting the back heel up, keep your hips square in front. Tall yourself. Now, take the arms in Namaskar Mudra. Press the palms, open the chest. Keep that back leg more active. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. So what we need is twist first. Okay? So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So place the elbow on the knee but keep the back leg active. Press it. Open the chest. Keep the knee ankle in one line. Check, check, check. And breathe. You can twist a little bit more up, but it's fine to keep it in front. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep your back leg active. Inhale, come up. And that's the way you get into the first variation of going very slowly and gently. Now, let us get into a second variation from a downward facing dog. So, I be here, downward facing dog. I activate, stretch, give a nice warm up, lengthen, put the knees on the floor. Now from here, I take, okay, let's try to do the other side. I did with the right, let's do with the left also. So I am also balanced. Okay, so hips are square, tall yourself, give a nice stretch to your, basically your quads, just lengthen it, okay, and just give a twist. So add up your, in the preparations, don't forget to add the twist, okay. Now from here, once again, in Namaskar Mudra, inhale, exhale. So I am giving a twist, okay, and exhale. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now from here, twist. Okay, suck that abdomen in, engage the core. Now tuck your toes under, lift up. Back leg active, open the chest and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now lengthen, so we don't need loosening, we need active in the back leg. So activate it. Tall yourself. Heels are active, arches are active of the back, feet. And breathe, shoulders are down. And put the knees on the floor gently and come back. Now that was, you can say, a little bit of simple version. Now let's try the other one out. So for here I use a block. So I take a block. Now it depends. So once again, lunge position. I tall myself. Now from here, I lengthen the back leg. Activate it. I need the back straight, neck long. Now, inhale, exhale, and now from here, push this in, lock it, hold it there, back leg active. And from here, you can take the arms back, twist, look in that position, that's completely fine, and maintain. So you can take the arms here and twist, that is, you can put the arms here also for a little bit of easy. You want to challenge yourself, you can put the arms here and give a twist. So before doing that, don't forget to keep the knees on the floor and try to give a twist, and then later on you can lift the knees up. So friends, do it very slowly and steadily. It's a deep detoxifying twist. Just go slowly. Use blocks, use props whenever you wish. Now, in the classical version, the heel is on the floor. So now let's focus on the classical version. Now what happens in the classical version, if you remember, the heel is aligned with the arches. And that's your Parsvakonasana, okay? Or the side angle pose. Or that's the pose. Fine, depends upon person's flexibility. But here, in the classical version, we always wanted the heel to be on the floor. So now let's get into it. Now from here, take it, lift the arms up, lengthen it, take it down, and bend the knees, straighten it, and twist. Pull that back heel on the floor, shoulders are down, widen it out, and maintain. Breathe. Come back. Now, in this position, the problem is, friends, I get a lot of strain on my knee. And I'm not comfortable with it. So definitely, I avoid doing that pose. But yes, if you are comfortable at the knee, at the hip, especially at the groin, please go ahead and do the pose. So, you had 3 variations of getting into the pose. Friends, this pose is great to strengthen and stretch your legs, your groin. It opens the chest and shoulders. It also stimulates and tones the abdominal organs and lungs. At the same time, it improves your digestion, elimination, and metabolism also. So friends, you need to practice this pose, although it's quite challenging. It improves your balance, memory, and concentration. And there are times you might fall. Just enjoy your fall, friends, because only when you fall, you rise. Okay friends, I am Ritesh here. Thank you for watching. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. And yes, do subscribe. And you have any comments or suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. It's a great way that we can learn and share our knowledge, understanding. Okay? Namaste.